Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today, we've been to Red Hills, and now we're going to go to Smokey Vale. And this video is just going to be that drive. We're just going to be ourselves. You're just going to join us on that little trip. So, without any further ado, we're off and running! Or driving in this case, but I'm just going to try to not go too fast.
For a sale sign again.
Pretty soon now.
876-700 Cedar Line, 30.
Oh, look at all the plyboard signs and the for rent and sale signs, and so actually I think I drove on this road one other time with a video. When I did a Chancery Hall video one time, I think I took this road and drove on it, but maybe I'm getting it confused.
For a sale sign again. So
we went up in there on a couple videos back, or a couple videos in the future, because we don't necessarily always post our videos in the same order that we film them. Just for various reasons. Ooh, roasting some breadfruit right there, people.
Yeah. Oh, these one. Each piece of, not even one, like we can.
You want to go back and buy one?
Oh, he's gonna be selling them so expensive. Huh?
Yeah, it's true.
Breadfruits will be so.
Look at the traffic, people. What time is it, sweetie?
4 something. 4:22.
Okay, so yeah, we're in rush hour. We're in Kingston rush hour, people. We just got off Red Hills Road, and we're going down some cute little road. I don't know what the name of it is. Big hole in the road right there I gotta watch for. Uh-oh.
What?
How come my backup camera's not on? Huh. Must have blown a fuse or came undone or something. Huh. Okay, well, that's the way it goes, people. For some reason, my backup camera's not. My backup camera is my rear view mirror all in one. I'll have to use the reflection of the glass from my rear view mirror. Usually I can see the image that comes through my little camera back there. So, but not today. Maybe it blew a fuse. I hope it just blew a fuse. It does have a separate fuse, people. And I'll have to remember where I hooked it in at. I think I hooked it in over here in my fuse box, but I can't remember for sure. What do you call this little corner here? It's always so cool with the shops and stuff down there. Does it have a special name?
No, sir, I don't even know the area.
You don't know this area? You don't know this area we're in right here? You don't see all these kids that go to Meadowbrook School with their clothes? You don't see the Meadowbrook outfits? You don't see the Meadowbrook dress that girl?
Oh, okay. I didn't even see. I see one now. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
That's how you can tell where you're at when you're people. If you're not from Jamaica,
I know this building.
if you're not from Jamaica, you maybe won't realize this, but when you come here, and you've been here a while, you'll know where you're at in what area of town you might be.
Yeah.
When school's getting out, because the boys, they all wear the dark khaki clothes, although sometimes their necktie will, the color of their necktie, or if they have the little shoulder things or their badge. But the girls all have a certain design, and we don't know them all, but we do know Meadowbrook.
Yes, Meadowbrook. Yeah.
So Madge is like, I don't know where I'm at. And I know where I was because I'm looking at the map, you know. And I said, you didn't recognize the Meadowbrook girls?
Then I look, I saw one.
And then you saw one.
Yeah.
One that looked like she had it over her pee.
And she had something like over it. Just the skirt part of it.
Uh-huh. It's a nice neighborhood.
Yeah.
You would probably wish we go slower, but I think I did this road one time. This is Riverside Drive, and I'm pretty sure I've done this one before. So I don't need to do it again.
Because it's a different angle they're gonna see because of the camera, yeah.
Yeah, that's true. And the different number of cameras and everything.
They're gonna see different.
Yeah, they're probably cussing me now, saying, "Tom, slow down, I want to see this." And I probably should, because it's amazing how our wonderful viewers and subscribers will just out of the blue get a comment that says, "Oh, you drove by where I used to live, or where I grew up, or you know,
what you
that was my neighborhood," and yeah.
What you drove by?
But you drove so fast.
I couldn't see.
They always, you know.
I just glanced.
I never had anybody complain I was driving too slow. Never. So if anybody thinks I've been driving too slow, your voice has not been heard, because every commenter, they'll sometimes say you're going a little bit too fast. I couldn't quite catch this or that. But I've never had anybody say I'm driving too slow. So I'm going to just slow down here a little bit, even though I've done this neighborhood before, just for a little while. Oh, you know what I could do when I get up here? That road I said I've never taken, sweetie. You know the one road I said, oh, I don't think I've ever taken that road?
Yeah.
We'll take it. We'll take it when we get up there.
Okay, yeah.
There's a flow truck. Reminds me that we'll soon be getting flow at home. And that'll be nice because when we're at Kingston, the place we're at right now has really fast internet because it's flow fiber. And we're supposed to be getting flow fiber. Actually, supposed to be getting it tomorrow. I'm not going to be home, so I did send a note to Paul to let him know. So then I guess I'll call him when they're nearly there or something. I don't
To let him know what?
know. About flow. People coming to hook things up for us. I said, so I won't be home. Because when they call, they'll call me. They won't know to call him, you know. Yeah.
Oh, but not tomorrow they're going, no.
Huh?
Tomorrow they're going, but they didn't say what time.
In the morning. You said in the morning they're coming.
What time in the morning?
They didn't give a time. They're going
That's
to call.
what I'm saying.
The lady said she'll call.
Oh, okay.
But I sent Paul a note and said that the people called.
Well, later on I'll call Paul because they'll call maybe when they're on their way nearly to reach in Chiswick.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
To ask for the direction. That's
Yeah. Yeah, of course.
That's what you were saying, that in the direction. I was trying to tell you that.
Yeah,
And-
right, yeah.
Because Paul had told me that too.
Well,
So we should not call them. They will call.
yes.
And they will call. And when they are coming, they will call
Mm-hmm.
for the direction.
Yeah.
And give them this number.
What you want?
It's
You want
on the
everybody
phone.
on the video to know the number?
I don't remember.
Huh?
I don't remember that you're still recording.
Ah!
Look at these two dogs on the wall.
Huh? Oh, I didn't see him. Going too fast.
Each wall has one dog.
Each wall has a dog.
Yeah.
There's two walls back there, so there was two walls. Oh, I see them.
They're looking
They
out
look
for
like
their
those
owner.
statues.
Maybe they're looking out for their owner.
Oh, you know what? That's what it is. They can't wait for the owner to get home.
Yeah.
You know, some people put dogs up on the top of their gates on each side like a statue. You know,
Yeah,
they
yeah,
put like
but-
a statue of a
I
dog.
know, but that's
Those weren't statues. Those were
dogs.
real dogs. But now I see why some people do that. Let's say you had a faithful dog that always sat on your gate post when you would come home. You would always know it was getting evening, and they would always sit there. You know? And wouldn't that be... Now, that's not the one. That's Eastmead. I've been up that. Yeah, and your dog always sat there. And then finally, when your dog gets old and passes away, then, you know, out of a tribute to that faithful friend, you might put a statue of your dog on your gatepost. And we've seen people with statues of their dogs on their gatepost. And it just now dawned on me, maybe that's why. Because they had a faithful dog, a trusted dog that always would wait for them on their gatepost. You know? My ears are trying to pop. Say what?
I said, me too.
Oh, wonder what.
I just put my teeth together.
Well, it's a nice drive, but my viewers are gonna... It's gonna be hard to edit, actually, because I'm going so fast. I won't know which camera to use. So maybe I'll just use the front one a lot.
Where is it that road that was turned now?
That's what it's coming up. I'm not there yet. I'm gonna take it when I get there.
It's garbage.
Oh, I was like, why are they blocking their road with that barrel? But now I get it. That's the garbage. Here's the road. Okay, what did that say? Bellevue or something?
I don't remember. I don't
know.
I don't remember what is.
I don't even know how far up in here it goes. They just go short ways. Well, it comes to that house.
I see one over here, so.
Okay, this goes to Mains Hill Road.
See that big stone?
Yeah, I think I should be fine with it. I got good ground clearance. Okay, we're off-roading, people.
See our next house inside here. So.
Huh? Oh, I see, yes. Oh, look at this. There's... Nice house going up there. Oh, a little courtyard down in there for that house. Oh, look at that house down there, people.
Ooh.
Okay. See these houses up here? Look at them.
What did I carry? You don't have a road to go to Manatee.
Huh?
You say carry to Manatee.
Well. Oh, you know what?
Because this is a road, but.
Oh, no, there's the road ends here, and then it starts a little ways further, and goes to Mains Hill.
Oh.
But yeah, this is the end. Like this next house, and there's a road down from it that goes the other way. But this road has not been kept open.
So this is.
You know what? They probably didn't want it to be a through road.
Yeah.
You could probably walk. There's a little path, walking path there.
Yeah. So this is still Smokey Vale. These houses. Yeah.
I think so, sweetie. I think it is.
I didn't know so much else inside here.
Boy, I need my backup camera for this sort of thing here. You know? We're backing around in these tight spots. I need my backup camera. I hope it's something simple like a blown fuse because I really like this camera. I put it in myself, people. It didn't have one in it. And it's actually a rear view mirror. It's not one of those that clips on. It's actually a whole new rear view mirror. And then I put all the wiring in myself, wired it into the back, and cut a little hole in the plastic and the headliner in the back window to put it there. That looks so cool in there.
It's like a little park where they sit.
But it's somebody's house. Anyway, so that backup camera is very handy when you're backing up on these little narrow roads that I drive. So before I come out and do my next drive, I'll have to make sure it's in working order again, and hopefully it's just a fuse or something. Well, I probably don't even have a fuse for it. Oh, look at the workman up there.
It's just a nice yard and good view, you know.
Yes, you know.
The best houses are in the hills, you know.
Some of the best houses are the hardest to get to and have the worst roads to get to them.
Yes.
And a lot of people say, why don't they chip in and fix the roads, or have an association fix the roads? And I guess they could, but at the same time, if they're paying the government to fix the roads, they feel like they'd have to be paying twice. So, and maybe they use, like this road here is fine. This road's in good shape compared to a lot of Jamaica. In quite excellent condition compared to a lot of Jamaica. So, yeah, but somebody suggests, oh, look at the size of that big house there, that terracotta colored home. I don't know if you'll really be able to see it here when I start going up this hill with my front camera or not. Let me kind of go over here. Look how far back it goes.
Yeah.
It's just huge. It's just huge.
Yeah.
It's just huge. I mean, it's wide.
And it's wide. How wide it is.
And it's more than one story, too. I can't imagine. It must be a 10,000 square foot home or more. Maybe more.
But you see a lot of very big houses, even when we went by.
My goodness.
A lot of very big houses.
Take you 2 days to mop the place out. You'd have to have help. You know?
Yeah.
A lot of big money in Jamaica. Well, look at all these.
That whole start there.
Oh, there! Look at that. That's a beautiful home there.
Yeah.
Beautiful view.
So look how quick it reach, where it reach. That's all right.
Yeah. Well, somebody's got all the money in advance, and it probably didn't come from a bank either, because people don't really borrow money to build houses.
No. Yeah,
people save money to build houses.
Yeah. Yes, Jamaica people. Most people that don't borrow money.
That's the thing about Jamaica. if you go to Foreign and you went through a neighborhood like this, you would see a nice neighborhood, and you'd see rich people there. But for the most part, banks own those homes.
Yeah.
A bank owns the majority of those homes, and somebody's just paying the bank back their money
Yeah.
that they borrowed to buy it. In Jamaica, no, sir. There are not too many of these are owned by a bank.
No, people don't want that. When you finish your house, it's yours.
It's yours. You own it.
So if you stop building for so many years, whenever you pick up again, if you don't have all the money to do it one time, you start again.
Yeah.
You don't owe nobody.
Yeah. Well, this little drive home will be kind of a short video. Unless we wanted to drive a little bit here in Smokey Vale. Should have been driving slow. My viewers and subscribers probably don't like the way I've been driving. You know?
You've been saying it. You've been saying that's what.
I know, and I keep driving fast. I've really gotten into this driving fast business, and I need to break myself of it because people haven't seen these houses. A lot of people haven't been on this drive before. And even if they have, everything changes. Every day things are different. The light's different. And a lot of the drives, I didn't have these good cameras set up.
You see this house? They live in the bottom.
In fact, you know what, sweetie? When I did our Smokey Vale videos before,
This wasn't there.
I didn't have these cameras. I did not have these cameras. I put the camera on a selfie stick and stuck it out, held it in my hand and stuck it out the window, remember?
Yeah.
So.
And some workmen working on a house inside here. I see them on the rooftop. Down in here.
Down in here somewhere?
Yeah.
To the right?
There's a I don't know if the roof there or what. They're doing somewhere.
Let me turn up in here and see. Now here's two light poles here. Not two light poles, two connections.
Yeah, two, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's like 3-story.
It might be a multiple family kind of a deal.
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be pretty up here. I'll just drive up here and enjoy this view.
Is around this way you did?
This is Africa over here.
Yeah, that's where you walk one time.
I didn't walk. No, I didn't walk up in there. I just went to right here. Didn't even walk up the road. I didn't walk up the road.
Don't go to Africa.
I don't. Well, the problem is there's no way to turn back. You know, and I don't have a backup camera right now, so backing up even here is not.
That is Smokey Vale.
Down there?
Yeah.
No, that's what do you call it?
What?
Mount Solace.
This house here? That house here? That house?
That you see behind us? Straight behind? Yeah, yeah. That's not Smokey Vale. Smokey Vale's over to the side here, but behind us is Mount Solace. That right there, that's Mount Solace.
Yeah, I'm not talking. I'm talking on this road here now, this house. Half-finished house.
Oh, that's Smokey Vale. Yeah, we're in Smokey Vale right now. Yeah,
that's what I'm. Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were.
No, not over there.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yes, remember we went over there already once. Yeah.
I remember that green house. You don't even really hardly notice it.
All right. You see that little red top looking on tree bush?
Yeah. Oh, I see.
Some work is going on.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right, people. Well, we're going to go ahead and wrap this up. We really had a nice drive out today. So we do appreciate you joining us for this drive around. Be sure and like, share, comment, and subscribe for the latest from Red Button Journal. Big up yourself. Bless up yourself. Later and
Amen.
amen.